Ever since coronavirus pandemic struck the world, people have been scrambling for health insurance policies. And if you are a first-time health insurance buyer, then you may wonder whether expenses like dental treatment or doctor consultations will be covered by your health insurance policy. So it is not possible all the time, but some insurance companies have started offering outpatient department expenses, your OPD expenses, for which you don't require hospitalization. Such expenses will be covered by some insurance companies. Now, OPD cover either could be inbuilt in your comprehensive health plan that you may buy, or there could be standalone OPD covers also. But the big question is, do you really need an OPD cover? And what are the options if you actually go for it? Let's understand the dynamics of OPD insurance coverage. Three kinds of policies are available in the market for OPD benefit. First one, your comprehensive health plan with inbuilt OPD cover. Then second, your comprehensive health plan with optional OPD cover. And finally, your standalone OPD insurance plans. Now, in the optional and inbuilt OPD cover, there will be a limit to the OPD coverage that the policy will offer, and it will depend on the sum insured of the comprehensive policy that you have bought. So if you have a policy of say 10 lakh coverage, then your OPD cover could be limited to say up to 10,000 rupees. But in the standalone OPD cover policies, you will have a choice to go for a specific sum insured that you may select based on your requirements. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance has two policies with inbuilt OPD benefit. One, Healthcare Supreme, and second, tax gain policies. So both these policies come with inbuilt OPD benefit. And ICICI Lombard has a plan named Complete Health Insurance Plan. And this plan comes with optional OPD cover that you can have on additional premium payment. And here OPD coverage could be in the range of 5,000 to 20,000 rupees. Star Health Outpatient Care Policy. So in this policy, you have four sum insured options of 25,000, then 50,000, then 75,000, and 1 lakh rupees. So based on your requirement, you may go for one of sum insured options, and the average premium could be around 9,000 rupees, and of course it will depend on your age and the sum insured option that you opt for. What does OPD insurance really cover? So if you see a doctor, if you consult a doctor, then consultation charges will be covered. And if the doctor has suggested couple of medical checkups, then the cost of medical checkups will be covered. Your pharmacy bills, the medicines that you buy will be covered. And if you're suffering from neuro problem and you go for therapy sessions, then the cost of therapy sessions will be covered. And if you're suffering from mental illness, then again, if you see your psychiatrist very often, then those sessions will be covered. So and even in case of dental treatment, root canal and tooth extraction, these expenses will be covered under OPD coverage. But if you're already suffering from a disease, then those expenses, so expenses related to those diseases, may not be covered from day one. So you have to check waiting period regarding this before you buy the policy. Who really needs an OPD cover? Well, answer is quite simple. If you make frequent visits to doctor during a year, then of course you need an OPD cover. And if you have a family history of such expenses, say if you have a family history of viral fever and it happens quite often in your family, or you are suffering from lifestyle diseases like diabetes, and then again you may need such covers. Now, whether to go for a standalone health policy or inbuilt policy, then again the answer depends on your requirement. And so if you think that you may need considerable OPD expenses, then go for a standalone policy. Otherwise, for most people, an inbuilt cover with the main policy will be a better option.